Which groups suffer the most from inflation? Creditors. Who is the highest wicket taker in the world in one-day cricket? Muthiyamuralidharan. Image of object is formed on which part of eye? Retina. When it is 9 o'clock in London, it will be the same time in which country? Ghana. In which language was the Shrimad Bhagavad Gita originally written? Sanskrit. Where is the headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization? Rome. The World Water Conservation Day is observed on which date? The 22nd of March. Which Indian became the President of International Court of Justice? Dr. Nagendra Singh. Who has written the famous book Mankind and Mother Earth? Bertrand Russell. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Aravalli. Which factors are most responsible for disease in plant? Fungi. Evergreen oak forests are found at the height between how many meters? 2,700 and 4,000 meters. Which pigment is found in the blood of earthworm? Hemocyanin. When is World Poetry Day, recognized by the UNESCO, observed? The 21st of March. Which component of plants receives stimulus for flowering? Leaves. How much is the portion of the Earth's surface covered with water roughly? 2/3. Who annulled the Partition of Bengal? Lord Hardinge. Where is the biggest port in India? Mumbai. By whom was Panchatantra written? Vishnu Sharma. A Nino current appears along the coast of which country? Peru. Why do the clouds float in the atmosphere? Because of their low temperature. Which is the world's largest synthetic rubber and tire making center? Akron. Which plant only produce seed but not fruit? Cycas. Which is the second highest peak in the world? K2, Karakoram. Who was founder of Boy Scouts and Civil Guides movement in India? Baden Powell.